This is Food Chemistry, Unit 1. So what is food science? Food science is the study of the nature of food and the principles of its production, processing, preservation, and packaging. So I will post this video. This is a great video from ASAP Science that looks at foods that are natural versus not natural and the ingredients in each one. So that's a great video if you have time to watch it. So food science began to evolve as its own field when technology moved food preparation from the home to the factory. Some areas of science that will be incorporated into this course include biology, which is the study of living organisms, chemistry, which is the study of matter, physics, which is the study of matter and energy, nutrition, which looks at the components of food and how those components are used by the body, family and consumer science, which involves food preparation, health, which is the study of the body and illnesses, physical fitness, basic algebra, and technical writing. So throughout this course, we'll incorporate bits and pieces of each of these different areas of science. Let's start with the history of food production. So food was preserved by drying, salting, and pickling. Fresh produce was only available during the growing season, unlike now where we can see fruits and vegetables all year, and we'll talk about why that is. Machinery improved planting, harvesting, and preparation of food, thus became easier. In the 1800s, 9 out of 10 people were farmers. Today, 2 farmers can produce enough food for 100 people. So farming has decreased in terms of the number of people that are actually farmers. Early food discoveries. People ate what was available and close to them. Civilizations occurred where water, game, which is hunting, and land were abundant for survival. So men typically hunted and fished for the meat, while women typically foraged for the fruits and the nuts. To prepare for winter, foods needed to be kept for long periods of time, such as wheat, oats, rye, barley, and corn. And a good way to store these was to dry them. Now, foods are often discovered by accident, so I'll just focus on one food. Let's look at cheese. So it was thought that this product, cheese, was discovered in hot desert areas of the Middle East. Stomachs from animals were scraped, cleaned, and tied off for use as containers for liquids. So really, a long time ago, every part of the animal was put to use. So goat's milk was often put into the stomachs for storage. Milk curdled because the stomachs have rennin, which is an enzyme that caused that milk to curdle. Warm temperatures and constant movement from traveling added to the process. Curds or cheese, right, what we now know as cheese, tasted good and lasted a while. I'm also going to post this video, which suggests that cheese may have been discovered even earlier. So if you are interested in looking at that, this video will be posted as well.